Hi everybody, this is Alex at Ballade Sports. Just wanted to give you a heads up that we are making a new FK exhaust. It is a full titanium catback exhaust weighing about 23 pounds. A stainless version, which is what we started out with, is 46 pounds. And I think the stock exhaust is about 50 pounds. So this one has 4 mufflers, 2 resonators in the front, all the way up to the front pipe, and 18-inch resonator mid pipe. We have our ovals that are based off of our S2000 Type S exhaust muffler. Right here we have titanium tips with blue burn on the ends here. These ovals, again, like I said, are based off of our S2000 Type S exhaust, which is a no drone exhaust. So this exhaust is extremely quiet. This vehicle that it's on has a downpipe, a PRL front pipe, and a P700 turbo. So this is the loudest an FK8 will probably be with these kind of bolt-on upgrades here. We're gonna start this up and I'm gonna turn on my decibel meter. You're gonna see what it sounds start up. I'm about 2 feet away. Yeah, about 70 decibels. Yeah, about 70 decibels. And I'm about 2 feet away. Go ahead and give it some revs. .97 was the peak decibel that we got right there. So this is an extremely quiet exhaust. And again, we have all the disadvantages of the catless downpipe, a bigger front pipe, bigger intake, bigger intercooler, bigger turbo, P700 PRL turbo. So we're gonna go for a drive right now, and you're gonna hear the in-cab decibels, and you're gonna see how quiet this thing is.